Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. So in previous class I explained you about some painting features of TuxPaint. Okay, so if you have system and you have not downloaded TuxPaint till now, so again I'm telling you that for downloading TuxPaint you will open Google and you will type www.tuxpaint.org. Okay, you have to open this website. As you will open this website, so the link for downloading TuxPaint will appear for Windows. Okay, so with the help of your parents you can download it. Okay, so then I explained you about some features of TuxPaint, like I explained you about paint tool. So whenever we start TuxPaint, the paint tool is selected by default. Means पहले से ही TuxPaint में पेंट ऑप्शन सिलेक्टेड रहता है, आपको इसको अलग से क्लिक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. इट इज़ यूज टू पेंट एंड ड्रॉ एनीथिंग दैट यू लाइक. सो वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ, if you want to draw anything, so with the help of this paint tool we can draw. It is similar to the brush tool in MS Paint. Like MS Paint, it is called brush, and here in TuxPaint it is called the paint tool. We can use it to draw freehand images or sketches, as well as select various brush shapes present in sub toolbox. Okay, so I show you the tools and sub toolbox also. Okay, today again I will show you. Okay, now so how we will start drawing using TuxPaint. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the practical of it. So first I will open the TuxPaint. Here it is. This is the welcome window of TuxPaint. Okay, so this picture I had drawn in the previous class. Okay, with the help of paint I have drawn these mountains, and this is called the toolbox. Here we have all the tools like paint, stamp, lines, shapes, and all these are tools. Okay, and that side, this box is called the sub toolbox. As we click on any tool, like by default paint, you all can see it is highlighted with blue color, so it is already selected. If we want to choose any other tool, so we have to just click on it using mouse. By left clicking from the mouse we can choose any other tool, and as we will choose any tool, so this sub toolbox options will be changed. Like when we were clicking on paint, so you all can see यहाँ पे जो sub toolbox में options हैं, those are different. And if I am clicking on this, so you can see options different हैं. Similarly, whenever we will click on any tool, okay, so उस tool के जो भी sub tools होंगे, that will be available here, that side. Okay, so I explained you the use of paint tool. With the help of paint we can draw anything freehand on the screen, and we can use lines also. Like here I have used lines for drawing mountains like this. This is how we can draw using lines, है ना? And if we will draw it freehand, so it looks like this. Okay, so if you have control over mouse, good control over mouse, so you can draw freehand. Otherwise we can choose lines. Okay, and suppose by mistake if you have drawn anything and you want to erase it, so we have two options. First is you will click on eraser, and we can choose the size of eraser and we can erase it. Okay, and second is undo option. As we will click on undo, तो undo से क्या होता है, हम step by step back होते जाते हैं. You all can observe, मैं undo पे जितने times भी click कर रही हूँ तो सारे जो है steps back हो रहे हैं. Okay, see, it's done. Okay, now paint tool has these many sub tools. These all are the sizes of brush. You can increase and decrease the thickness of brush. If you will choose this one and you will draw anything, it will look thicker, and if you will click on this one, it will look like this, and this is the thinner one, you can see here like this. Okay, so this is for the thickness of brush, and this option is for drawing the hazy things, if we want to draw anything far in our image, if we want to show it that it is far in the scene, so we can use this haze option. Okay, and this is for printing arrow. If you click on that, so like arrows will be printed here. And this is for the shape, you can see for triangle shape, and these all are the different shapes. In previous class also I shown you this. You can change the color accordingly and we can draw all these. Okay, right now I'm erasing it because right now I want to show you something else. Okay, so according to your book I explained you about paint tool and about sub toolbox. Okay, and about this haze brush option. So wherever you want to draw anything far, अगर आपको अपनी सीनरी में कुछ भी ऐसा ड्रॉ करना है जो आप दूर दिखाना चाहते हैं, so for that you can use this haze brush option. Okay, okay, now let's start using some magic tools. You all can see where is the magic tool. Here it is. Okay, so you can find many magical sub tools in the magic toolbox. See here, so many are there. Okay, and first I will show you, this is a very amazing tool in the TuxPaint. Okay, and it has many options. First I am going to show you the bricks magic. Okay, bricks. So here is the option of bricks. Using this option we can use for drawing. If you want to draw bricks like this, if you want to draw house or anything, so we can use this bricks option. I'm using here, you all can see it's looking like. Okay, this is the use of bricks tool. Okay, now I want to make a hut, and I want a triangle over it. So for this I can use lines, and I'm choosing this brown color for drawing a triangle over that. Okay, no, not this one. Lines I'm drawing, and because this one is selected, that's why it was looking like that. I have to click on this option. Okay, so because I'm drawing lines here, so okay, so triangle is done here. This is how I have made these mountains also. Okay, okay, so this is clear now. Okay, okay, now again I am clicking on this magic tool. Here is one more option of making blur effect. Like you all can see the blur option here. As we will be clicking on it, so what we can do, as we will click on anything, so it will look blur. You all can see, you can see the changes now. When we apply blur option on any image, so it look like the haze one. जैसे haze में हमने use किया था haze option में, तो it looks like that haze option. Okay, so right now I don't need it, so it was just for showing you as example. Okay, using blur option, suppose आपने कुछ draw कर दिया है and then you realize कि आपको इसको दूर में दिखाना है, तो you can use blur option there also. Okay, now next I want to show you very beautiful feature of magic toolbox, that is grass. Like here you all can see I have drawn some kinds of grass over there, but we have a better option there, and we will find the grass option in the magic toolbox. First you will click on magic, and then you will see that side and sub toolbox. Here is the grass option. So as we will click on this grass option, now see the magic. I am going to draw grass there. See, I have drawn the grass over there. See how pretty it's looking, you know. Wherever you want grass, you can draw the grass over there. Okay, I'm drawing in the bank of this river also, some here. Okay, this is how you can draw. Okay, wherever you feel that you want to draw grass, so you can draw there. Okay, and see, okay, so this is the grass too. Now what is left in our scenery?